Welcome to Desai Academy of class 9th, chapter 2 is matter around us pure. Okay, in the previous video we discussed that how ink will be separated from its color. Okay, by the which method that is called as the evaporation method. By the method of evaporation we can separate easily ink from what is the mixtures, right? So now we'll discussing about another type of method that will separate the cream from a milk. Okay, which type of method we are using it. So you want remaining videos of this chapter means search in our playlist. You can get all these videos of class 9th. Okay, nowadays we get full cream, toned and double toned varieties of milk packed in a poly packs or a tetra packs in the market. Okay, when we are in the market, or sometimes you are going to purchase some milk packets, means in that packet they are written that double toned or a milk packed with poly packs or a tetra packs, because of that times they are what purified. Okay, we have observed these various of milk contains what different amounts of fat. Okay, so polypack or tetra packs or double toned means that much. If you double toned or single toned means double toned means it contains less number of fats means that content they will only tells about what are the contents and how much nutrients is there, how much fat is there, how much carbohydrates is there. So variety of informations are given in the that food packets. Okay, for variety of examples we can give. Whenever you have purchased the biscuit packets or oil packets, beside of that packets you can read, means you will get all the this much of nutrients, this much of carbohydrate, this much of fats, this much of proteins, they all rotated in that in that what percentage of nutrients is there, they will return completely of that information. So okay, whenever you will purchase you can see it. So activity 2.5 is there. Take some full cream milk in a test tube. Okay, have to take a full cream in a test tube, centrifuge it by using a centrifuging machine for 2 minutes. Okay, you have to take a centrifuging machine that will rotates that cream milk for how many minutes? 2 minutes. If a centrifuging machine is not available in the school, you can do this activity at home by using a milk churner used in the kitchen. Okay, so if you are not having any kind of centrifuging machine, means you can use the what churner, milk churner. Okay, in a villages or in your home, we have seen like this structure. So that will be rotated like this. Rotated means this also lower part also rotate, and they will rotate in the mixture, and it will produces what a churner, that is called as what a churner. Okay, it will separate from the milk from a cream. Okay, this is a what a traditional method. If your milk dairy nearby, visit and ask how they separate cream from milk and how they make a cheese from milk. If near home or near your school or near your area, dairy is there, means you can visit and ask them and how they are separating cream from milk, and how they are generating or how they are manufacturing the cheese from milk, right? Sometimes the solid particles in a liquid are very small. Okay, in a solid particles are having a smaller size in what liquid size. Then how you can separate through the filter paper for such particles? The filtration technique cannot be used for separations. Okay, in any liquid solution, the solid particles are so small, we cannot separate it by which method? Filter paper or a filtration method. Then we are using which method? That is called as a centrifugation method. Remember that when a centrifugation method is used, when the solid particles are present in the liquid, they are very small, we cannot separate by the filter paper or a filtration method. That time we are using which method? Centrifugation method. So that separated by which method? Centrifugation method. the principle is that denser particles are forced to the bottom and the lighter particles stay at the top when they spun rapidly. Okay, so how the centrifugation will separate the mixture from the liquid means, so the dense particle means large particles, large size particles are settled at the bottom of the solutions, and the which are the particles are very small or lighter particles, they will suspended at the upper portion of that solution. So by this method we can easily separate the dense particle as well as the lighter particles. By which method? Centrifugation. Spinning means they will rotate very fastly, so that the lighter particles are settled at the upper portion, and solid or dense particles are stored at the bottom of the container. This method is called as what? Centrifugation. Okay, and what are the practical applications of centrifugation means? So the used in diagnostic laboratories for blood and urine test. Whenever you visited the hospital means, when you entered the laboratories, when doctor preferred, you can make the test of urine test or blood test means, so they will take the blood in a test tube and they place it in what? Small, like this is machines. Okay, in that they having some what? Place for the test tube. When the test tubes are placed in this and they will rotate after 10 minutes, after 15 minutes. Okay, they having some time, after that it will gives the result. In that centrifugation method is used. Okay, it is used in the what? Diagnostic laboratories for what? Blood and urine test. Used in what? Dairies and home to separate what? Butter from a cream. Okay, it is also used to separate what? Butter from a cream in home also, and dairies also. Used in washing machines to squeeze out water from the wet clothes. Also it is used in the water washing machines. So squeeze out means it will removing the all water from the wet clothes. By this method, which method? That is the centrifugation method. Water is removed from the wet clothes in washing machines. These are the what importance practical applications of what? Centrifugation method. When we are using centrifugation method means the solution which having a smaller solid particles in it that cannot be separated with the filtration method. So that time we are using what? Centrifugation method. Okay, this is the what separation method of what? Solid in smaller solid particles in liquid. Okay, this method is called centrifugation. These are the applications of what? Centrifugations, right? Okay, what are the, again we'll recall in 2-3 minutes. Okay, simple. What are the applications of centrifugation means? It is used in the diagnostic laboratories for what? Blood and urine test, correct? It is used in what? Dairies for to separate butter from cream, and it is used in the washing machine to squeeze out water from wet clothes. Okay, these are some useful advantage of what? Centrifugations. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you.